Hey guys, it's Lisa here and welcome to the JayLi Live. So for this week's What's for Dinner video, tonight it is Monday and we are having some Tex-Mex chicken enchiladas. So here they are. They just came out of the oven. But this is what we're having for dinner tonight, guys. Alright guys, so for dinner tonight we are going to be having some breakfast tacos. So I'm going to grab some bacon. And what I like to do is I like to cut my bacon in half. I will be using only half of the bacon today. Off to the side, I have some potatoes that I'm going to be peeling. Now as my pan is heating up back here, I'm going to go ahead and start frying my bacon first. Then I'm going to start peeling my potatoes. Alright, so I went ahead and let my potatoes cook. They got really nice, soft and tender. And I just went ahead and added some egg. And then off to the side, I'm warming up like a comal. So now I'm going to go ahead and push that off to the side. So now what I have in here is, I'm going to warm up some beans. Some refried beans. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of water, just like that. And now to this, I'm going to add some of the bacon fat from the bacon that I fried. Some salt, a little bit of pepper, and some onion powder. Give it a mix. Let's add some more of this bacon fat to try to scoop up the little bacon bits at the bottom. You're going to put that to the side because you're just basically warming that up. And I'm going to continue working on my tortillas. Alright guys, so here's our dinner. We have some potato and egg, some refried beans, and some fried bacon, and some flour tortillas. And this is what we're having for dinner tonight, guys. Breakfast. Alright, hey guys, so for dinner tonight, we are going to have meatballs, spaghetti with meatballs. So I already went ahead and mixed it up in here. This was 1 pound of ground beef, and I went ahead and just added some garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, 1 egg, and some panko breadcrumbs. I have my pasta water boiling over here. My oven is already set for 350 degrees. And here are my meatballs. You can make them at any size you like, but today I decided to go small. I usually make really big meatballs. So here they are. They should look something like this. And I'm going to stick this into the oven, and you'll know when they're ready once they brown up. And then, alright, so we're going to go ahead and add our pasta. And for us, for a family of 4, we use the 12-ounce pasta. I used to do a pound, but then I would notice I would have so much left over. This is just enough for us. So now you want to grab another sheet pan. And I don't have any garlic bread, so we're going to improvise. We are going to use bread. So we're going to go ahead and butter it while everything else is still cooking. So just move this to the side. Right, so now you want to grab a pan, just like this. You want to turn it on. You want to grab your favorite spaghetti sauce. Mine is Del Monte. So my pan's going to heat up pretty quick. So I'm going to go ahead and add my sauce. And make some room down here. So the meatballs off to the side. In here at the very bottom. And we're going to let those brown up. Just like I like it. Nice and al dente. So we're going to drain out the pasta water, but not all of it. You're going to need some of it. So I still left some pasta water in there. I didn't completely drain out the spaghetti. What we're going to do is we're going to add it to our sauce with a little bit of water. Kind of thins out the spaghetti sauce. We're going to coat it. So now we're going to take out the meatballs. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add the meatballs. Want to toss it in there. So we're going to add just a little bit of this. So I'm going to put a lid on this just for a little bit. Alright guys, so here it is. Here is my spaghetti and meatballs. I hope you guys give it a try. Alright guys, so for dinner tonight we are having just some fajita tacos. The chicken already came marinated, so my husband just threw it onto a charcoal pit. And this is what we're having for dinner tonight, guys. Alright guys, so for dinner tonight, we're going to have some leftover fajitas from yesterday. I went ahead and made some Mexican rice back here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut up this. Let's go ahead and cut up our leftover fajita. So we're going to grab a pan. And then over here to the side, we're going to grab another little pan. And now to this little pot back here, we're going to warm up some Texas ranch style beans. These are actually one of my favorite beans. Kind of getting a little hot. Let's go ahead and put just a little bit of oil, just a little bit. And this fajita was leftovers from yesterday, which is just pre-packaged marinated chicken fajitas that were at my local grocery store, H-E-B. And my husband just went and threw them on an open pit. So we made the whole package. It's about a pound of fajitas in the big packages. And it was chicken thighs. I love when we have fajitas for dinner because you can literally make 2 meals out of it. So I always make the whole package that it comes. So this is warming up. So I'm going to go ahead and throw all my chicken in here. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just grabbing my warmed up fajitas. I'm putting them back onto my cutting board. Alright, so here's our bowl. We're going to grab some rice and grab some beans. However much you like. So we ended up cutting up the fajita into little pieces like this. So you're going to put some on top. Just like this. And then we're going to top it with some lettuce and some tomato. And then we're going to grab some queso crema. It's a little bit of avocado. And now we're going to get some queso fresco. It comes in a little package like this. And this is it, guys. This is what we're having for dinner tonight. It's a fajita bowl with leftovers.